Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the currency on the Booking.com app so you can see prices in the format you prefer. Open the Booking.com app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right. Scroll down to Settings. Then tap on Currency. Here you'll see a list of all supported currencies. Simply select the one you want. The app will instantly update all prices in that currency. If you can't find the setting here, you can also change it while browsing. Just tap the currency displayed at the top of the search results screen, then pick your preferred one from the list. On some devices, the currency might also change based on your phone's region settings. So if it keeps switching back, check your device's region in the system settings. That's it. Now you can view hotel prices exactly how you want, whether you're booking in dollars, euros, pounds, or any other currency.